What is this? A vending machine. I am going to get the drink, and I will sit down with my friends.
Here we come to a vending machine at the Crossroads Mall in Beckley, West Virginia. Let's put $3. We are going to get Fanta Berry Soda by going with D5. Let's grab the soda and then we will get the change. Let's go to the next one. We are going to put $3, and then we will get pink lemonade. Let's go with C7. Let's get our drink. After the video ends, we will get the change, so thanks for watching.